Track 6.
Listen to the following report on landfills. Based on the report, answer questions 1 to 8.
In Malaysia, 30,000 tons of waste is generated every single day. Where does it end up? The answer is landfills. Landfills must be managed effectively to deal with the sheer volume of material that needs to be disposed of, and also to prevent pollution to the surrounding environment. In 2007, there was a public outcry when drinking water was inadvertently contaminated by improper landfilling practices. This led to a tightening up of the country's waste management policy. As the population grows, new landfills are required. Typically, the waste in a landfill comprises mainly of organic materials. This can be divided into paper-related waste, accounting for 31% of waste, and food and garden-related refuse, which accounts for 26%. Plastic makes up 12%. Metals and textile-related refuse each make up about 8%. 7% of waste is wood products. Glass accounts for 5%, and the remaining 3% is made up of miscellaneous waste. Electronic waste, or e-waste, refers to discarded electronic devices. The volume of e-waste is increasing, and today makes up about 2% of the miscellaneous waste in landfills. Electronic waste is of particular concern because it contains toxic substances like mercury and cadmium. If electronic waste is not properly disposed of, these harmful substances can dissolve in rainwater and then seep into the soil or contaminate water supplies. If electronic waste is not properly disposed of, these harmful substances can dissolve in rainwater and then seep into the soil or contaminate water supplies. This poses a serious health risk. The garbage in landfills can also become a fire hazard. Landfill gases can easily ignite. The most commonly produced flammable gas in landfills is methane, which is produced by rotting organic matter. Fires can be difficult to put out and can contribute to air and water pollution. The chemical load in landfills is further increased if firefighters are forced to use fire-retardant foam to combat the flames. Although landfills have plenty of drawbacks, they also have surprising benefits. When certain types of garbage break down, methane and carbon dioxide are produced. Well-planned and efficient landfills may install systems that collect these gases and convert them into energy. Not only does this provide power for generators, but it also prevents these greenhouse gases from being released into the atmosphere. A landfill in the area eliminates the need to export waste to other facilities. Exporting waste may incur costs, and locally manned landfills do provide job opportunities. Another benefit of landfills is that they allow waste disposal to be controlled. Indiscriminate disposal increases the likelihood of environmental damage, outbreaks of disease, or other health-related problems. We may not be able to completely eliminate the garbage coming out of our household, but there are steps that can be taken to minimize the amount of garbage we produce. One simple method is to embrace the 3 R's: reduce, reuse, and recycle. Businesses and municipalities too have a responsibility to ensure that waste products are properly disposed of.
You are now given 1 minute to answer questions 1 to 8. You will listen to the recording again. Check your answers.